Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through how we can switch Tradingview to dark mode, which really helps make our charts and the whole interface much easier on the eyes. This is especially helpful if we spend a lot of time looking at charts, trading, or analyzing markets. Dark mode is great for reducing eye strain, and it makes everything on the screen easier to read for longer periods. So, let's get started and go step by step together. First, we need to open Tradingview and make sure we're logged in. Once we're on the main screen, let's look up at the top left corner. There, we'll see the profile icon. We just need to click on that. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, and we'll notice a small crescent moon icon labeled Dark Theme. All we have to do is click the toggle button, and instantly, the Tradingview interface will switch to a dark color scheme. Everything, including the menus, side panels, and our charts, will now use darker tones. This makes it much easier to focus on our analysis and helps us avoid eye fatigue, especially during long sessions. Now, to make dark mode work even better for us, we can also adjust chart colors separately. If we like certain candlestick or indicator colors, we can customize those too. Dark mode works best when we use a full screen chart, so we can really focus without any distractions from menus or panels. For the best experience, we should always remember to save our layout after making these changes. This way, every time we log in, our charts and panels will stay in dark mode, just how we set them up. It's important to remember that switching to dark mode only changes how things look. It doesn't affect any of our data or settings. One thing we want to avoid is forgetting to save the layout after switching to dark mode. Another thing to keep in mind is that dark mode won't automatically apply to all our charts if we have more than one layout open. So, it's a good idea to check each layout and make sure it looks the way we want before we start analyzing. Switching to dark mode is a simple change, but it can make a huge difference in our comfort, focus, and overall trading experience. It's quick, easy, and something every Tradingview user should know how to do. Dark mode is something we can always turn on or off as needed, depending on our preferences and the lighting in our environment. Sometimes we might find that using dark mode at night is more comfortable, while during the day we might prefer the standard light mode, so it's nice to have that flexibility. Also, if we ever want to experiment with different chart color themes, Tradingview gives us a lot of options to play with. We can spend some time exploring the settings and see what works best for us. Remember, the key is to make our trading environment as comfortable and efficient as possible, and dark mode is a great step toward that. We hope this guide has made it easier for everyone to understand how to use dark mode on Tradingview. By following these steps, we can create a workspace that's easier on our eyes and helps us stay focused, whether we're trading for a few minutes or several hours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tradingview guides, and I'll see you in the next one.